I'm Janselo A. Macasarde. My topic is all about series connection. In series connection, where there are two loads, the current in the circuit is the same as the current through the first load and the second load. And here is the formula. I is equal to I1 and I2. I is the total current of I1 and I2. I is equal to I1 and I2. On the other hand, you also observe that the voltage across the combination is equal to the sum of the voltages, where V is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 is the voltage of the first load and V2 is the voltage of the second load. Applying Ohm's law for the first load, V1 is equal to I1 times R1, where V1 is the first voltage of the first load, and I1 is the current of the first load. R1 is the resistor of the first load. For the second load, V2 is equal to I2 times R2, where voltage is equal to I2. I2 is the current of the second load, and the R2 is the resistor of the second load. In series combination, the resistance of the combination is equal to the sum of the individual resistance of the two loads, where R is equal to R1 plus R2. R is the combinations of the two resistors. R1 is the resistor of the first load and R2 is the resistor of the second load. Here are some examples of the series connection. It has 30 volts and a resistor of 6 ohms and 4 ohms. To get the total resistance, we'll use the formula R1 plus R2. So it's equal to R1 is equal to 6 ohms plus R2 is equal to 4 ohms. So 6 ohms plus 4 ohms is equal to 10 ohms. Now we will get the current on the circuit. We'll use the formula I is equal to V over R, where V is equal to 30 volts and R is equal to 10 ohms. So 30 volts divided by 10 ohms is equal to 3 amps. We know that it has individual voltage of each resistor. So V1 is equal to I1 times R1, where I1 is equal to 3 amps and R1 is equal to 6 ohms. So 3 amps times 6 ohms is equal to 18 volts. V2 is equal to I2 times R2, where I2 is 3 amps and R2 is 4 ohms. So 3 amps times 4 ohms is equal to 12 volts. To get the total voltage, we will use the formula V is equal to V1 plus V2, where V1 is equal to 18 volts and V2 is equal to 12 volts. So 18 volts plus 12 volts is equal to 30 volts. That's all.